How we doing today, people? This your boy Yankson Man back with another video. And today I'll be reviewing a few cases for the Galaxy Fold 3. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and as always, drop your comments below and I'll respond back to them at my earliest convenience. Alright, let's get to it. So first up, we have the Shi. That's the brand, Shi. I believe that's what it says. I don't know. But on the packaging it says Profer. Either way, this is a clear case uh, for your Fold 3. I think I paid $13.99 for it, as you can see there. Uh, Minimal protection. I already know when I got it what it was going to be. It's not even TPU material. It's real cheap plastic. Like if I twist this too hard, I will break it. Okay. But I got it. Every phone I ever owned, I always had a clear case. And I wanted one for this one. So as you can see, it snaps right on. It's two pieces. Alright. This is what your phone gonna look like. So if you happen to be one of those that got the 256 gig variant, you're able to get different colors. This is a perfect case for you. You display what color you got, whatever color you got for your Galaxy Fold. But I have the 512 variant, and they only come in black. So, but either way, I like it. Nice tight fit. Openings for your mic, your speaker grill. Same way on the bottom. The camera as well. All right. On to the next case. So next up, we have the C Samos. I'm pretty sure I said that shit wrong. Design for your Galaxy Fold 3. Alright, I got this as something different. White, it kind of has the look of the Tom Brown edition for the Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Flip. If you haven't already, look that one up. The Tom Brown edition is pretty cool. But this design looks just like it for a fraction of the price. Okay. And I paid 25 bucks for it. So this one is a little bit stronger than the last case. A little bit, not a whole lot. And this one actually has 3M tape on the inside to make it stick to your phone a little bit better. Alright. Pop it on. 2 snaps. And that's it. I like the way that looks. Smooth finish to it. Fingerprint magnet, but you're not gonna be able to see a whole lot because it's white. The openings for your charging port, your grill, your mic, and your camera. Real nice. Minimal protection, but you're not buying this for protection, you're buying it for the look. Okay? On to the next case. So next up, we have another case from that same company. Alright. This one was 23 bucks or 24 bucks after taxes. I went with the rose gold transparent one. Let's see how it looks. So right there you can see it's transparent on the back. Yeah, the rose gold trimming. That's nice. Okay. Does have a little tape on the back, but on the inside, I think I'm gonna leave that on though. And like the last one, it has a 3M tape on the edge of it. Alright. Pop on real quick. Real easy. That's wrong. Too fast. And that's how it looks on your phone. Alright. Hinge is open. Outside. That's what it looks like open on the back. Real nice. Again, minimal protection, but you're not buying it for protection. You're buying it for show and tell. On to the next one. Okay. This one, I'm not even sure. Transparent hard case. Clear case. I just did a clear case. Let's see what this is. Knowing me, I probably bought 2 of them. Yep. Oh, another clear case. Anyway. That's what it look like. How much I paid for this one? Oh, there it is. $12.69. Okay, not bad. This one actually feels better than the other one. So just like the other one, clear. Fits on real tight, it's nice. Alright, that's what I look like on the back. On to the next one. Okay, next we have the Photom. Yeah, Photom. Oh no. Photom due to branding. Samsung Galaxy Fold case. I was curious about this one because there's very few cases. There's very few cases that protect your hinge. And this is one of 3 I've found. The other 2 are by Spiegans, and I'll do a review on those as well. But I saw the reviews, but I figured I'd check it out for myself. It's look like 3.5 stars. So it looked like I went with the green one. It's supposed to be green and gold, but this is clearly rose gold. But something different. Like I said, it's gonna protect your hinge. So I paid $59.99, but they've been marked down, probably because of reviews. As you can see, it's $55.99. So let's see. So on this one here, it has glass on the front to protect your screen, of course. Like I said, the hinge protection. And this little tape, well actually it's a full back cover of tape to make it stick to the back of your phone. So that's cool. I like that. And a kickstand on the back. So it popped right on with ease. Damn, was that cracked? Yeah, I'm sending this shit back. Anyway, the screen is definitely responsive. So the cover doesn't affect it at all. That's nice. The hinge protection from top to bottom. Can't complain about that. This is some kind of, I don't know, material. I guess, I don't know what to call it. The design could have been better right here, but I guess they did that. So they be able to protect your hand from top to bottom. So if you drop it, it won't get scratched. I'm not gonna do a whole lot for the impact, because the case itself is so thin. Let's see if I can get this off of here and show you how the kickstand. There we go. So if you got your phone, the kickstand works like that. Oh, in this case, you have it open. There you go. And the hinge protection just kind of folds in. So it's not bad. Not happy with that scratch. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna send it back. Or try to get another one. Maybe they'll send me a replacement. Oh, that's cool. The hinge is spring loaded. Yeah, this spring is spring loaded. That's real cool. Definitely a bonus. I don't think it's worth 60 bucks I paid for it, but you know, to each your own. I like it. On to the next one. Alright, and the last case for this video is it's a green TPU. Well, it's not really TPU, it's just a hard plastic material, but it's outlining a green chrome kind of finish. Another one by Samos, whatever. Let's see what it looks like real quick. Okay, my bad, y'all. I just noticed that cord was in the way. But yeah, again, cheap material. When you're buying for a luxury look, they're usually not gonna be really strong or heavily armored for your phone. So anyway, 3M tape on the side for adhesiveness, and clear on the back. It's 23 bucks for this one. Only out 24 bucks out of tax, I guess. Alright, pop it on real quick. 2 snaps. And this side's gonna look. Alright. No hinge protection whatsoever. Minimal protection. It does lift up enough to protect your camera. Not a whole lot. And there are all your openings. Alright. Alright, y'all. This has been my case lineup for the Galaxy Fold 3. I will be doing another video of more cases. Like I said, I didn't want to be too long, so I'm separating the videos. I got about 5 or 6 more cases, maybe 7 more cases to review. The 2 speaking cases and a couple other weird brand name cases. All right, but of the 5 I did do, these 2 are definitely my favorite. Probably this one. Yeah, this is my favorite. Not my favorite price, but my favorite case at the moment. Mostly because of hand protection, and it just has a different look. It has a real luxury look to it. All right. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and as always, drop your comments below, and I get back to you at my earliest convenience. It's your boy Yancey, man. I'm out.